Hello friends, today we are going to do lesson number 4, the Internet and Introduction. Introduction to Internet. Computer is one of the most interesting and important inventions. It can help the user perform varieties of tasks. But do you know what makes computers even more wonderful and effective? That is the Internet. The term Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is popularly called Net. The term Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is popularly called Net. Internet is the world's largest computer network. It links millions of computers across the world with the help of devices like phone lines, satellites, cables, and modems. Computers that are connected to each other through Internet are capable to share information and communicate with each other. The Internet is a network of networks which help you to access and collect any information available on the Internet. With the help of Internet, one can communicate with people living in different parts of the world. It also enables people to sell and buy goods and services online. The most interesting fact about Internet is that it can be accessed by millions of people together. Fact: a group of multiple computer systems linked together is called network. Online means to be connected to the Internet through a type of computer. Uses of Internet. Internet is quite useful. Let us learn the uses of Internet in different areas of life. Education. One can search information on almost any topic and can also learn new courses using the Internet. Students and teachers can easily connect with each other through the Internet. Entertainment. You can watch videos or movies, listen to songs and play games on the Internet. Business. Internet has provided a whole new platform to perform varieties of businesses. One can buy and sell new or old products over the Internet. For example, your parents order something over the Internet. After a few days, that thing is delivered to your home. This process is called online shopping. It saves time. Fact: business activities done over the Internet is called e-commerce. Banking. With the use of Internet, one can perform various banking operations such as transferring money, paying bills, and so on from anywhere and anytime. This is known as Internet banking. It saves our time and also eliminates the need to carry cash and notes. Communication. Internet allows us to share data and information across the globe within a few seconds. This method of communication helps you to connect with people living at distant places. The common types of communication over the Internet are as follows. Social networking. Connecting with people through social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. is called social networking. These sites can be accessed only through Internet. Here one can share pictures and videos, express ideas and views, and can also make new friends. Chatting. Chatting means sending and receiving text messages through applications such as WhatsApp, Google Hangouts, Skype, etc. Advantages of Internet. First, lots Source of information. Internet stores a huge amount of information about almost any topic such as transportation, earth, movies and so on. It is the world's largest library ever, which contains countless data and books. You can search information simply by clicking. Second, faster and cheaper communication tool. Apart from searching information, Internet is also used to communicate with people living in different parts of the world at nominal charges. For example, you can chat, make voice or video calls, share images with your family, friends, relatives who live far away over the internet at a very low cost. You can send and receive documents through emails within a few seconds across the world. Third, round-the-clock services. One of the most interesting advantages of the internet is that you can get online services at any time of the day. For example, one can perform various operations such as banking, pay bills, shopping, book flight, railway, bus or movie tickets from anywhere at any time. Fourth, entertainment. Internet has taken the world of entertainment to the next level. You can watch online movies, videos, news, listen to music, play games and a lot more. Disadvantages of internet. First, fake and wrong information. It is true that internet is an ocean of information. However, all the information available on the internet is not correct. There is a lot of fake and incorrect information shared on the internet. Therefore, one must always search and use information from reliable websites. Second, damaged computer. Internet offers many useful programs, but at the same time, there are some harmful programs on the internet too. These programs are called viruses. Virus can easily enter into a computer through the internet and can damage the applications and files stored in it. Such harmful programs also slow down the speed of an infected computer. Third, theft and misuse of personal information. While doing online shopping or filling any form over the internet, people give away some important personal information such as their name, contact number, postal address, bank details and so on. There are chances that someone can steal that information and misuse it for personal benefits. Therefore, always be careful while sharing personal information online. Fourth, waste of time. Many people waste lot of their time on the internet doing useless activities. This habit makes them neglect the useful tasks such as studies, outdoor sports, face-to-face conversation with family and friends and so on. Fifth, cybercrime. The crimes that take place over the internet are called cybercrimes. These crimes are done for personal or financial benefits. Internet fraud is one of the increasing cybercrimes. For example, there are some online shopping websites that do fraud with the innocent buyers. Such sites ask their buyers to pay the money for the ordered product in advance but never deliver the ordered product to the buyer. Fact: Microsoft Edge is the default web browser in Windows 10 operating system. Internet-related terms. Web browser. It is a program that is used to access internet and the information stored over it. A web browser also allows you to use the varieties of services available on the internet. Remember, you cannot access internet with a web browser. Some commonly used browsers are Microsoft Edge, Opera, Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox. Electronic waste or e-waste means discard electrical or electronic devices. These electronic devices include such items as computer equipment, stereos, televisions, and mobile phones. Such things can often be refurbished or recycled. However, a significant amount is still dumped in the landfills. World Wide Web. It is popularly known as WWW or Web. It is a huge network of interlinked web pages and websites which contains a lot of information. To access the information available on the web, apart from an internet connection, one must also have a web browser. Tim Berners-Lee is the developer of WWW web page, an electronic page that displays the information present on the internet is called a web page. A web page may contain text, pictures, graphics, audios, and video. It can also contain links to other web pages. Hyperlink. On a web page, the text highlighted in blue is called a hyperlink. Clicking on a hyperlink takes you to another page or to a different section of the active web page. It is also known as a link. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages. These web pages are connected to each other through a system of hyperlinks. A website is like an electronic book that can have a number of digital pages. To move from one page to another on a website, click on the links of hyperlinks. For example, Gmail, Wikipedia, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Home page. The opening page or the main page of any website is known as the home page. This page contains introductory details about the active website along with the links to the interlinked web pages. URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A website is defined through its URL, which is a unique address assigned to it. A URL is commonly known as a web address. Web address begins with http:// or www. For example, https://www.wikipedia.org. To visit any website, you need to enter its URL or web address on a web browser. Search engine. The internet is a huge storehouse of information. To find any information available on the internet, you can use a search engine. A search engine is a program that searches for information on a specific task over the internet. All you need to do is to enter a keyword or keywords related to the information you want to search here. Thereafter, the search engine scans the internet and displays a list of hyperlinks of websites that may contain information related to your search. Google is the world's most popular search engine. Some other examples of search engines are Bing Search and Yahoo Search. Opening a web browser. You can access the internet only through a web browser. Therefore, before using the internet, one must learn how to open a web browser. Using Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser of Windows 10. Let us learn how the different methods are to start the Microsoft Edge web browser. Click on Start button. Select the Microsoft Edge option in the menu, or simply double-click on the Microsoft Edge icon present on the desktop screen, or click on the Microsoft Edge icon available on the Quick Launcher on the taskbar. The Microsoft Edge web browser appears on the screen as shown in the figure. Refresh button. This button is used to reload the current web page for the recent version. Address bar. The web address or URL of a website is entered in the address bar of a web browser. Tab. Each website opens as a new tab. It is like a new page on the same screen. Search bar. This area is used to enter keywords to search for information on any topic. Back button. This button navigates to the previously visited page. Forward button. This button navigates to the next page after accessing the previous page. Display area. It displays the content of the active web page. Opening a website. Let us now open a website. To do so, follow the steps given below. Enter the web address or URL of the desired website in the address bar. Press Enter key. The home page of the website appears. Fact: Google was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers. Online safety practice. The internet is a virtual place where you can meet and interact with hundreds and thousands of people. Like the real world, the virtual world also has some rules to follow in order to stay safe. Therefore, it is quite important to follow some internet safety rules, which are as follows. First and the foremost, always use internet under the guidance of your parents. Do not share any kind of personal information with anyone online, especially without your parents' permission. Avoid chatting and making new friends online. Most of the people you meet online are complete strangers. It is found that many of them use fake identity. Select strong passwords and never ever share them with anyone. Do not share your photograph or video with anyone, especially with a stranger, without your parents' permission. People can misuse them. In case you come across any uncomfortable situation over the internet, always share with your parents or elders. Avoid responding to any message that makes you feel uncomfortable. Responsibilities of a good digital citizen. The present time is known as digital era, since most of our work and life revolves around the internet. Therefore, it is quite essential to keep the internet a good and safe place for every user. As a good citizen of our country, we do have certain responsibilities towards our nation. Similarly, as a good and responsible internet user, we also have some responsibilities. These responsibilities are a set of manners known as netiquette. The term netiquette is the combination of two words, net and etiquette. Net refers to internet and etiquette refers to a set of certain manners. Some of the important netiquette are as follows. Always make sure that you use polite and address everyone with proper greetings. While writing a text message, avoid committing spelling and grammatical errors. It is always better to read your message before sending. Third, avoid typing any message in all caps since it is considered as shouting and yelling. Never copy someone's creative work, piece of writing, music, photograph and video and present as yours to others. It is considered as stealing and is also punishable. If you are using someone's content, then it is recommended to acknowledge the owner of the content. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.